Mày với Mom, với Mom lại.
Wow! Ay, caramba! My arm needs a rest.
Keep away from us.
Mummy, it's going down a bit.
I know it does, it goes down to the end.
It doesn't. I don't want it to go down to the end of the slide.
No, it won't go near your fingers, it's alright, your fingers away from it. It's alright, just keep your fingers on the very end, that's it. You're alright, darling.
Move it to the end of it.
Alright, son.
So where's he put me? Where's he Anthony? Oh, he's got the mini jam. He's got very interesting. You're looking for a spot. Can't see.
Is it doing a bomb? Is it doing a firework?
There we are.
What? It's not?
Tell you what, wait until he's dead.
Go on, do, just now, we'll get the spices now. 2 minutes.
Oh my god, it's gone off!
There, it does now.
Oh, nobody's been burnt. Oh, nobody's been burnt tonight, isn't it?
They're queer, and something.
Do that in the air.
What did them wrong with?
I could have.
Sure, with your firework. Oh, watch.
You say it like you're supposed to go around, but didn't you?
Oh.
Is that it?
Nothing! You got rabbit ears. You got rabbit ears. Expelliarmus. Tail. You got one. Expelliarmus. Cat. Meow. 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 Meow.
They're not very good, these ones, are they? That one's nice.
So do. Look like clear in the sky and bunny colours come up and fireworks them.
That's nice. That's funny.
Ah, it's alright on the ground.
Just I can't then I get a
Oh, we do.
Oh my god.
You think, can you?
Yeah.
See the thing going on.
I wonder how long it is until it's going out.
Keep your fingers right at the end, son. Ryan, turn around. Ryan, look at that.
I have a crayon. No, I don't have any crayons. Oh, no. Okay. Now mine's going on. Get this rocket. Boring. Papa, please, let's just go and find somebody to see it.
Try not saying that one.
I know. Wait, so it hasn't done that, like, has it?
Nah, I'm just standing here.
Be careful, Ryan.
Can't you do a one that goes into the airplane?
Yes, Ryan, he will. Patience. Patience, Ryan. He's got loads to do. It just depends which one comes in the packet.
Are you watching somebody else play? I'm good. Oh, look at that one. Oh, God. Don't go anywhere. I'm sitting down here. Boring. No, that was it. It's a fountain. Doesn't matter what it is.
There's space on the way to work.
Oh my god, it's a fire! Help! Help me!
Ryan, careful.
Stop focusing in.
Right in there. I'm not getting it like. Ryan.
You hurt your face if you fall from there.
You
get your face.
Ryan. I'll tell you again.
Dave, just throw the last few on the fire. I've got one.
Do you want anything from the house? Do you want wine or whatever?
Oh.
Right, thank
Do you
you.
want to drink it? I should love a wine if you can get it.
I've just on the table, actually, it's on the table.
Red
while I'm
wine.
sitting.
Do you want to top it up?
No, it's still full. I haven't banked it yet.
It was a rocket one.
Last one. Oh.
Coffee table next to the telly.
It will be done.
Borrowed.
Don't like when it's
Your hand is all sticking now. You're everywhere stuck up.
cheese.
Cheese.
It's not a camera where you just got a smile on you. So you can walk about and do things.
Bill. Come on. Cheese.
Cheese. What's your name?
Chick. Silly.
How old are you?
4.
4. Hey. You're getting old, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
Are you not? Did you like the fireworks? Did you? No, you didn't like them.
It was rubbish.
Oh, were they?
Just rubbish.
Oh, never mind.
So you never go to Asda for your fireworks.
Boo.
Boo.
I'm 4. And I can't go to Asda anywhere.
Oh.
Never again.
Ever again. And boo. And
Can you see yourself, like, can you? Boo.
Get that face.
come on. Boo.
There.
Turn it round.
Turn it around.
Oh. Ah! Stuck! Stuck! Oh. And boo! Where's that say?
No.
How do you play games on it?
I don't know, you just do.
Ah. How do you put games on there?
On here.
Just press one and it will happen.
Yeah.